In this video, I'm going to talk about how you can sell your designs online. And the first way to do that is to create a portfolio of your designs. And you can do that on Behance. Behance is owned by Adobe, so it's very popular among designers. So let's see how it works. So here you can see a lot of categories. Let's go to one category. Let's choose Illustrator. And here you can see a lot of designs. And with the designs, you can see the names of the designers. So let's choose one. And now let's see this portfolio. So what you are seeing right now is a portfolio of this designer. So what happens here is, let's say if this is your portfolio and people who want good designs come across this portfolio, and if they like these designs, they're going to approach you, they're going to send a message to you, and they're going to ask you if you would like to work with them, or they may ask if you are willing to sell your design, something like that. So if you happen to create a portfolio on Behance, and if your designs are good enough, chances are you're gonna get a good job, or you will be able to sell your designs. Okay, so that's how it works. And here's another website, which is DeviantArt. Okay, DeviantArt is also a website where you can create your portfolio, but it is more popular among digital artists. So if you are a digital artist, you can create portfolio on DeviantArt. Okay, so you can create your portfolio, and if people like your art, they can approach you. They may approach you. Okay, so that's how it works. In addition to creating portfolio on DeviantArt, you can also sell your design through print on demand. Okay, so print on demand is something I'll be talking about later in this video. So for now, let's jump to the second method. The second way to sell your design online is by signing up on this kind of site. UpWork is a site where you can sign up as a freelancer, and you can find jobs related to your skills. Let's say you're a designer and you sign up and you create a profile, and what you can do is you can find work, and you can find a work related to designing. Okay, let's say logo design. So now there are so many jobs, so many projects related to logo design or graphic design. So what you need to do is just need to pick one. You can pick any one of them. Let's say, let's choose this one. And what you need to do is you need to read the descriptions thoroughly, and you need to check the price, okay, the rate. In this project, the rate is $25 to $50 hourly. So if you think this work is for you, then you have to submit a proposal. So what happens is, once you submit a proposal, if uh, if the employer or the person who has just posted this project happens to like uh, your profile, or if they think that you are the one who can do this work, then your proposal will be accepted and you'll get this job. Okay, so this is how you're gonna work, and ultimately you can sell your skill or sell your design. Okay, so let's go to next is design contests. Okay, so Design Crowd is a website which in which you can find so many design contests. So how it works is, you need to find jobs. Okay, and in jobs there are so many categories, all are related to design. So you may go to anyone according to your preferences. Let's choose logo design right now, and here you can see a lot of contests going on. Okay, 6 days left, 21 hours left. Okay, and it's $150, $219. So you can choose one of them. Let's click here, and now what you need to do is you read this design brief. Okay, and the target markets and all of the requirements, and if you think that you can do this job, and if you think you can win this contest, then you can submit design, and if your design is selected, you win this amount. Okay, so that's how it works. So Design Crowd is a popular one, and another one similar to this is 99 Designs. Here also you can submit your design on many contests, many different contests, design contests. Okay, similarly there's this design contest. Okay, it's similar to Design Crowd and 99 Designs. You can find out the contests. Okay, and you can submit your design. So that's the third way to make to earn money by selling your design online. Okay, you can also participate in competition through this Threadless. Okay, Threadless is also a platform where you can go to design challenges, similar to the design contests. So here you can go to community and submit to design challenges, and there are these kind of challenges. You can go here and read the description, and if you think you can make a good design according to this description, then you can submit your design and you can win up to $10,000 cash. So that's a huge amount. So if your design is really good, okay, you will get this much money, this huge amount of money. So that's how we do it. You can also okay. So next one is print on demand. Okay, so Redbubble is a very popular website that's known for print on demand. So what is print on demand? Print on demand is like you create a design and you make that design for different products, okay? For t-shirt, for socks, mask, and a lot of other things like pillows, cushions. And the thing is, you don't need to have those products. You just need to put the design. You just need to upload the design, and all these products are created by Redbubble. So how it works is you just upload your design. Uh, so put the title, tags, the descriptions, and then you go down, and all these products are made ready. Okay, it's already done. You just need what you just need to do is, if you think the size is not correct, you can go to edit and you can edit the size here. Okay, and you can apply changes. So you can put this design on many things, like this thing, clock, and like notebook, and then mask, bag, t-shirt, whatever. Once you're done, you just need to save work, and when people go through this website, when they find your design, they're gonna buy the design, and Redbubble is going to create the t-shirt or whatever the product is, and they're gonna ship it to the customer, and you get paid for your design. So this is how you sell design on print on demand. And Redbubble is not only the site that gives you the opportunity of print on demand. Artists, sorry, Society6 is also another website for print on demand, and Teespring is also another website where you can create your design for many different products and sell them. So this is how you can sell your designs online. You can create portfolio, you can go to contests, you can find projects, and you can also sell print on demand products. So these are the ways you can sell your design online. So if you think this video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video, and thanks for watching.